Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we already started with level 2. We added the exterior and interior walls. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So I'm gonna insert the tub again, but it's a different tub. It will be the freestanding one. So I'm gonna use the 3D. Click open and then type in CM to add it. So I'm going to put it right here. And then we're going to load again. By the way, this is under plumbing, architecture, fixture, bathtub. Now we're going to go back here and then we're going to add in the shower. We're going to load the shower in, type in CM, and add the shower right here. But we need to edit this and we're going to make it bigger. Let's duplicate this first. It depends on you what kind of name we're gonna put, but for me, I'm just gonna put it like that. After that, we could change the depth and then the width. So for here, I'm going to put around 1500. And then this one, for the width, let's do it at 2000. And let's see how it looks. So here, it looks like this, which is good enough for me. We can also actually make it wider more. So let's edit this and then let's put 2500. I think that will be the perfect size, which is this one. Now we're going to press escape, click this one, and then CS. That's create similar. It's a fast way of adding what you already put in by just clicking that item and then just typing CS. You're basically copying it and you can put it whatever you want. So after that, let's add in the sink. So CS again, spacebar. Let's add in two. Let's move it a little bit right here, like that. AL, let's align it. There we go. And then go back to annotate and detailed line. Thin line is already selected, and we're just gonna add in a line to represent. So here we could just move it like that. Let's move them both together by holding on control and selecting both of them. And there we go. We're moving it all together. So as you can see, it looks nice. We have a big area right here. And then here we could just extend this one a little bit. That's too much room for the top, for the freestanding top. So here we could just move this one a little bit like that, and even this one. Okay. So I'm just thinking what else we could insert now. We could insert, so go back to main and let's go to specialty equipment, domestic. Let's add in the washer and dryer. So I believe it's in the mid range. Washer and dryer. Let's add one of each, because you never know which one you have, and most of the time you have one of each, not the combo. So here I'm just gonna add this one, CS or CM. So washer and dryer, we're gonna add we're just gonna uncheck this first and then add NCO, which is copy, because we're gonna add both of this. We're gonna add in a sink right here, and then a line to represent the top. And then let's move it a little bit so we have some space right here, and we have some area to do some more of hanging the clothes and some storage here. So after that, I believe it's better if I show where the door is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the door and I'm gonna add the two panel, and I believe I added the 700 by 2000. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna add this one right here for now, and then I'm gonna move this wall. So that's perfect. And then let's click this and CS. I'm going to add it right here. For this one, I'm gonna add it right here, and then this one will be on this spot. This will be flip on the other side. So I think it's better if we just extend this like that. We're done anyway, so let's just extend that and put it somewhere here. So now we could click back here and then CS and flip it like that. This will be for the area right here. And the closet is on this side, and this one is for the other side. And then we just need to separate them using or adding a wall. And you could just estimate where is the midline here. We need to add the door right here, so CS, and then add the door on this side. And I'm just double checking what else we could add. Here we're gonna open this up by clicking on the wall and then clicking on the wall opening. We're gonna represent it like that. And then other thing is we have our closet. This is a closet as well, but I use a door. So basically that represents a walk-in closet. And this one as well. So here I'm just gonna add in the sliding door. So click here, look for the sliding door that we added. So here, make sure this is 2000. And there we go. And then after that, we need to add the annotate and then detailed line. Let's add in the thin line first. So I'm gonna add it like that, and then like this here as well. Here we're gonna do a demolish, and then here detailed line again. For this one, we could just do this like that. or a U. Even for detail line, you can use trim and extend like that. And then after that, click it again, change it to a demolish, and then use that demolish to represent this. Here, we're just going to add 2 lines. And here, the same thing. Oops. There we go. We fix it. And then now just double check everything if you add all of them. Now that you see that this is going down, we need to cover this up. And I'm just going to use this another wall. So the same interior wall, and then I'm just going to add it like that. So now everything is safe. So let's add in the beds. So go to insert again, load family, and then go back to furniture. So go back to the main, furniture, and then beds. And let's use this bed box. Open, and then CM. Let's change this to a queen size bed. And we're going to add the queen size right here. We can even add it on this area. And then what we can have here is some seating. So yeah, we could just do it right here. Delete this. Or it's better to have it right here. And then you could have some area here. So it really depends on you, how you would like to represent. This one will be on this, because there will be a window right here, and this one as well, facing on the other side, as there will be a window right here on this area. We will need to add in some desk as well, and here we could add in some desk as well. Similar to below, what I'm gonna do is, to make everything fast, is to turn on underlay, which is level 1. And here I'm just going to select that CS and then add it here. Again, this one, CS, and then add it right here. I'm also going to add all of this. So I'm going to use some storage, CS, make it 2. The same one, CS, because I wanted to have a reading nook here, and then CS this one as well. There we go. Even the living room or the living sofas here, CS this one, I wanted to have it on this area as well. CS this one, or I think that's enough. Now I'm just going to turn back the underlay to none. Click apply, and as you can see, everything is showing here as well. This one we could just rotate. I think it's better if we rotate it 90 degrees like so and move it like that. And this one we could just move it on this side. And now I'm thinking we could just move it 180 degrees and move it like that right here. So that looks better. We have a sofa here, and then now we just need to copy this so that we have it on the other side, and then move it closer. Let's do the same on the other side. Hold on control button so that you could select all of them, copy, and copy it from here. And then let's add it right here on this area as well. And then press escape once, and then you can still move it with your arrow key. And then once you press escape again, you're basically saying that you don't want to edit anymore and you want to finish the command. So now even if you um, press your arrow key, it will stay where it is. So now let's add in some desk. I'm also gonna turn on again because we already added the desk earlier. So I'm just gonna turn it on level 1 and then add this one, CS, and I want to add it right here. And then the chair as well, CS there. Now that's done, we could also add in the TV. So CS that one. For the TV, we could add it right here. And move this one on the space. So we have our own area right here. And we could just turn back the underlay again to none. And then here we could just CS this again. Put it in front, and this one as well, put it in front. This one we could flip it on this side. And here we could actually move it from here and flip it like that, so that we have enough room here for our entertainment system for this spot. Here we can also manage to pull it up like that. We could add in our table here on this spot so that it could be you can see, or you will have a nice view. So either way, we're gonna add it like that. So that's our table. So I just want to double check that everything we did, and we have everything. For this one, we're gonna add in a balcony. So let's go to our floor. So go to architecture and then click on floor. Let's save this. And then let's edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 2. Edit. We're going to put wood here at second floor. Let's use ash. And then apply and then OK. And then OK. Here, I'm going to add the floor only at the inner. After that, I'm going to use pick line and add the ones that are from the and then let's use trim, and then here we need to type in SL, so trim and so that's split, and then TR. Let's trim this. Like I said, I'm going to extend this a bit, and I will reference the one below. So around 1200, I believe, is what I said. The extension of our um, carport. This one, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create or extend or add a line around 1200 as well, and then here like that, TR here, and then TR as well here. After that, click finish. We will edit this later on. It's because we need to change the materials for this, but that's for later. I just want to add this and just double check the underlay. So just go to your underlay and let's add level 1. And here we have this one, just a little bit. So let's just move this one or align it, AL, like that. And we could fix the other one right here later. So the other one is actually right here, but that will be good enough. So we could AL here and align it from here. So that's fixed. So everything is good enough. Let's just turn off the underlay to none. And then we're finished with the second floor. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.